This is the Vemico NP-F series Sony type battery replacement 2-pack set. Let's take it out of the box. In the box you get the batteries themselves. Here they are. There's a cover on the bottom there. But these batteries do a lot more than you might expect. Besides being an excellent replacement for the Sony NP-F series batteries, they also can act as a USB power bank and recharge via USB. They give you a USB cable. It's USB to micro USB. Also, on the batteries is a check button. You press it, and it will show you the relative state of charge, just like that. On one side is the micro USB port to charge, and on the other side is the USB port, so you can use it as a battery bank. So you can charge your phone or other devices off of this battery. If you're going on a photo shoot, as these are typically used for cameras and the like, and you don't need all of that extra capacity, but might need extra power for a phone, maybe for some auxiliary shots, you can always charge your phone off the battery. That's a nice feature. So let's test out the battery bank feature. I have a micro USB cable that this phone takes, which actually came with the set here. I'm going to go ahead and plug that in. And there we go. It's charging the phone. So I just want to tell you a little bit about the battery and its capacity. This battery is 7,800 milliamp hours of capacity. It's a lithium-ion technology inside, and it takes about 3 to 4 hours to fully charge once it has been depleted. Now, the Sony NP-F series batteries, they were used on a number of different devices, and in addition to Sony cameras, and they had different series. They had the 500 series, the 700 series, and the 900 series. The difference was the actual physical size in terms of capacity as such. So what I mean is, the 500 would be a battery maybe about that thick, 700 would be about that thick, and the 900 would be about that thick. So all of them are interchangeable within the NP-F family, provided the device itself will allow it to fit. So you can always get a higher capacity battery like this. Now, the problem here is it's big, and that's a good thing because it'll last a long time, but you also have to weigh that against, are you going to be carrying this around a lot? So that's something to also keep in mind as far as what type of battery you want to get. Generally, the bigger batteries just deal with carrying it, and they're going to last a good long time. So I want to show you something that uses this type of battery. This here is a camera light. It has a whole bunch of LEDs there. I've masked off the name because that's not important right now, but this takes a Sony NP-F type battery. And this particular one at the time was marketed without a battery, but they did allow you to open this up and use AA's if you wanted. But those are going to run out in no time, let's be honest here. So now here's a battery for it. Again, this called for the 500 series, but the 900 series fits right on there without any problem. And now when I turn it around, I can go and turn the light on, and you see that it works, and it's going to last a good long time. Now, this light is meant to, I have it taped off over here, but it's meant to go on a tripod. If this light were on a tripod with that battery there, who cares how big it is? Not a problem at all. But now I have batteries for this light, so they can illuminate different scenes in many of my videos. So once again, this was the Vemico NP-F series Sony battery replacements in a 2-pack. Very nice battery all around. Will fit anything that takes the NP-F series batteries, and doubles as a power bank as well. Very convenient, and recharges USB right on board with no additional charger or anything like that needed. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find the item available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.